The 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe stunned the world when it was unveiled in October, with its heavily refreshed exterior styling. The interior received attention as well thanks to several significant upgrades. The base model Santa Fe SE carries a starting price of $28,025, including the $1,175 destination fee. That's an increase of just $575 over the outgoing model. Adding all-wheel drive increases the price to $29,725. Moving up the trim ladder, the SEL with FWD starts at $29,825, but there's a significant increase from there. Starting at $39,775, the Limited comes powered by the turbocharged 2.5-liter with 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Instead of the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder, with 191 horsepower and 182 pound-feet found in the lower two trims, both engines are paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Lastly, the top-of-the-line Calligraphy, only available with the Turbo 4 and AWD, begins at $43,275 with 19-inch wheels and $43,475 with the optional 20 inches. As we noted the other day, the Santa Fe Calligraphy costs nearly the same as a new 2021 BMW X3 S-Drive 30i, which has an MSRP of $43,000 and $45,000 for the AWD version. Granted, these are the base X3s, but still, a Hyundai has reached BMW pricing. The Santa Fe comes standard with a number of infotainment, convenience, and safety features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, forward collision avoidance, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. A 10.25-inch replaces last year's 8-inch screen, and there's a new segment-leading 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster display. Hyundai says pricing for the upcoming Santa Fe hybrid and plug-in hybrid models will be announced closer to their launch dates next year. The Alabama-built 2021 Santa Fe combustion engine models will arrive in dealerships soon. So what are your thoughts on this new 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe? Let us know in the comment section. For now, we leave you with the video to explore more.